What's for dinner? A Caribbean sausage plate. So if you want to see how easy it is to make, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see product reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe. Because I do videos about those topics all the time. So please hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's make a Caribbean sausage plate. Stacy at Let's Cook Y'all and Kelly at Life of a Millwife are issuing a challenge, and it is the Cooking from Around the World challenge. And what they want us to do is to cook a dish from either another region of the country or from somewhere around the world, something that's just not necessarily relevant to us. And I thought I would try to make something Caribbean style. I like Caribbean food. I don't like it too spicy, but I do enjoy the spices that come along with Caribbean food. And then from Lisa Sutton at Sutton's Days, I'm also learning not to waste food and to cook what's in your fridge. That was one of the pantry challenges, was to cook what was in your fridge. And I've got some smoked sausage in there, and I've got a couple peppers. So I thought, why not make something Caribbean style with that sausage and those peppers. So I'm going to make the Caribbean sausage plate. So before I get started, I want to thank Stacy and Kelly for hosting this challenge. It is really a lot of fun to do these various challenges, and I had so much fun doing the challenge in the tablescapes from around the world. I thought, I have got to jump into this one. This one has got to be just as much fun. And my husband certainly enjoys eating different styles of food, and he likes Caribbean food too. So that's why I decided, gotta do it. Now, if you are not familiar with Stacy at Let's Cook Y'all, she does a lot of cooking for two, for like her and the hubby. And I thought, you know what, that's kind of interesting. So I'm definitely going to check out more of her videos, because mostly what I do is cooking for two, unless I've got company coming over. And then Kelly at Life of a Millwife. If you're not familiar with her, I'll link her channel below as well. So I'll link both their channels below so you can go over and check them out. I'll also link the playlist when it's available. And go in and see what the different people have made. I think you will enjoy that. And show everybody some love, give them a comment, and subscribe. So here's my Caribbean sausage platter. Doesn't it look amazing? And it tastes as good as it looks. You can see the island flair with the banana tomato salsa. You've got your Hillshire Farm sausage and your curry rice with your black bean garlic combination. Simply amazing. Now, here's my question for you. What part of this Caribbean style dish did you find most interesting? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children, I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.